Assam. I'm from grade 7. Here I have a fire seal. A fire seal works upward with the help of gears and motor, while gravity pushes the wheel back down again. This cycle continues for duration of ride. The interesting part comes into the play when you realize you feel lighter at the top of the Ferris wheel and heavier when you're at the bottom.
A hydraulic lift is a device for moving objects by using a force created by the pressure on a liquid inside a cylinder that moves the piston upwards. Incompressible oil is pumped into the cylinder, which forces the piston upwards. Let me show you. So that's how it's worked. Thank you.
Go. Curious about how my favorite toy works. I Hadi from grade 6 will explain how our drones flies. Drones work much like other modes of air transportation, such as helicopters and airplanes. The engine is turned on, it starts up and the propeller rotates to enable flight. Then the pilot uses the remote control to direct it right from the ground. Thank you.
Go. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Subhan and I'm from grade 6. And this model represents the function of a motorboat. Motorboats work on the principle of conservation of momentum. It pushes the water backwards and gets pushed forward in reaction to conserve momentum. An outboard motorboat has a portable detachable motor incorporating drive shaft and a propeller. The engine turns the engine turns the propeller, which acts an important function to the water. The boat moves.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Rishad Mehboob and I am from grade 7. This is my 3D model based on acid rain. So what is acid rain? Acid rain is one of the harmful aspects of nature. Let me explain it to you. We know that the rain clouds are of pure water, but sometimes gases released by industries and factories like sulfuric acid and nitrogen dioxide chemically react with oxygen and water and forms an acid rain. Let me explain this process by its working.
At the top of the Ferris wheel and heavier when you're at the bottom.
Here are the factories which are releasing gases, and now the acid rain starts.
Go. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Barira Khulat and I am from grade 8. Today I'd like to show you the working model of acid rain. Acid rain is basically an example of pollution which is caused due to the smokes emitted by factories, cars, etc. These smokes then mix up with the clouds, and these clouds then create a rain which is slightly harmful for plants, animals and other living organisms. As you can see, there's quite a difference between the plants which are affected by the acid rain and plants which are not affected by the acid rain. Now I'm going to show you the working of the model. To avoid such harmful disasters, we should ensure a healthier and cleaner environment. Thank you.
Go. Go.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Raisha Madasar. Assalamualaikum. My name is Mishmar Kinsi. And we are from grade 8. This is a model that depicts one of the most significant problems that exist in our society, water pollution. Water, if polluted, can cause great harm, as the model shows. The causes of water pollution are varied in this project. This includes the sewage from domestic households, factories, buildings, and the fertilizers being strictly dumped into the water bodies. So now I'm going to show you the working of it.
Go. Assalamualaikum. My name is Iraj from grade 8.
And my name is Aisha Khadim from grade 8.
Today I would like to share with you the working model of hemodialysis. Hemodialysis is a machine which filters waste, salt and fluid from the blood when the kidneys are no longer healthy enough to do. So, now I am going to start the working model of hemodialysis.
Hemodialysis is one of the ways to treat advanced kidney failure and can help you carry on active life despite failing kidney.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am Shakir Ali from grade 6 and I will explain how a pulley works. A simple machine that changes the direction of a force often to life a rope. Usually consists of a grooved wheel in with a rope. Pulley chain run redirecting its force. Thank you.
Thank you. Drone wala hoga?
I am Abhina Imran from class 7 and this model that I made is called the Tornado Ride. Tornado is basically a thrilling ride for everyone to enjoy, for children, teenagers and even middle-aged people. It's an amazing ride.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I would like to dive into the science of an everyday machine. My name is Mishal Mayam and this is how a water dispenser works. When a 5-gallon water bottle is attached to the machine upside down, it allows gravity and vacuum pressure to do the job of filling the glass when someone presses or turns the water spigot. When this happens, air is allowed into the bottle so water can escape into a glass or container. The next time you use a water dispenser, I hope you remember how it works. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Abhina Imran from class 7 and this model that I made is called the Tornado Ride. Because of this is called the Tornado because of its amazing swinging and swirling functions. Everyone can enjoy this ride. Children, teenagers and even middle-aged people. This mighty ride swings of about the height to 24 meters for about 10 to 12 minutes like this. Sometimes even more. This is an amazing ride which everyone can enjoy. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. I'm Vishal from grade 7. My project is basically about the Earth's crust. Crust describes the outermost shell of a terrestrial planet. Earth crust is divided into older, thicker continental crust and younger, denser oceanic crust. There are two types of Earth's crust. Number 1, continental crust, 5 km to 10 km thick and composed of primarily denser, more mafic rocks such as diabase and gabbro. Number 2, continental, 30 km to 50 km thick and mostly composed of less dense, more felsic rocks such as granite. Thank you.
Everyone is scared of earthquake, right? But what if we knew when it was coming? The earthquake alarm does exactly that. I, Soha Hussain from grade 6, will explain how an earthquake alarm works. So when an earthquake occurs or when the dynamo started, the resulting vibrations cause the movement of pendulum. This pendulum movement triggers the sound of the bell, alerting the victims of the earthquake. Now I'll show the working of this project. So when an earthquake occurs, the beep will automatically on, the alarm will automatically on, and this is an alarm. Thank you.